Eastman Chemical Company is a global manufacturer of specialty chemicals used in many industries. Eastman's Anniston, Alabama location is home to around 100 employees who are involved in manufacturing Skydrol, a high-quality hydraulic fluid used in airplanes, and Thermonol, a heat transfer fluid used in industrial applications. Engineers at Eastman use their knowledge of math and science to solve problems and make improvements.
As a site electrical engineer, I have my hands in a lot of things, so I'll go anywhere from assisting with the control system that's connected to the process and instrumentation, sending power to pumps, lighting, IT infrastructure, control infrastructure, and pretty much everything that falls underneath those two aspects. Eastman's a great company to work for. It's a global company, which is nice because you have a lot of resources. So if I ever get stuck trying to hook up a specific piece of equipment, there's a guy for that. If I get stuck trying to figure out an IT situation, there's a guy for that. There's people there to always help you, whether it be just your job or to progress in your career.
So a process engineer is a chemical engineer typically. That's what they get their degree in, and they're responsible for troubleshooting, problem solving, monitoring trends to determine if things are operating within specific parameters, and then if they're not, how to get them back into them. So we're trying to make a product, chemicals or other types of products, the safest, the most reliable way possible. So I like that the days are always really different. Like, you never really know what you're going to be doing once you come in. It's not like you're doing the exact same thing day after day. Each day looks different, which to me is really exciting.
So I have the pleasure of leading two different teams here at Anniston, Alabama. One is the maintenance team, who is comprised of maintenance and electricians. I also have site stores, and I also have our scheduling and planning professional who does our site turnarounds and does all of our maintenance scheduling. In congruence with that, I also have our site engineering team that's comprised of electrical and mechanical engineers who do project work and take care of plant engineering needs. And what I'm looking for in an engineer is someone that's very curious, that wants to know how things work and is constantly trying to learn. I am also looking for in an engineer someone who loves to work with others, because here at the plant type environment, you're going to be working with many different people, and working as part of groups and teams and collaboration is key. I always tell people making sure that you're taking as much math as you possibly can. Also, understanding good time management skills. As engineering students, you're going to be taking a lot of courses and labs that you may only get 1 credit hour for, but they're going to be multiple hours a week of time. And also learning how to work in groups, because there's many group projects and many presentations that you'll be giving in engineering school.
In addition to engineers, there are many other roles that are important to keeping the plant running. Laboratory personnel who make sure that the product meets Eastman's high standard of quality. Safety specialists whose job is to keep everyone on the plant property safe. Operators, electricians, and mechanics keep the machinery running. Warehousing and logistics specialists make sure the product gets to the customer. It also takes a wide variety of office personnel, accountants, managers, and sales professionals to keep the entire operation running smoothly. World-class employers like Eastman need world-class employees like you. For more information about the Eastman Chemical Company in Anniston, visit eastman.com.